Welcome back to Laura's Holistic Kitchen. This is our series all about microgreens, and I can't wait to share with you all the wealth of knowledge that I've learned all about microgreens. One question that we often get asked at farmers markets. We've been doing them now for about 2 years, going on 3 years, I think, and we get a lot of the repeat questions that come along through the pipeline. And one of them is, what's the difference between microgreens and sprouts? And I feel like a lot of people have heard about sprouts. Not everyone has heard about microgreens. And I often tell people that it started back in the 70s when sprouts were a popular thing to grow in a mason jar of water where you dump out the water every day and then you germinate the seed. So the germination of the seed happens and then the little sprout comes out. Well, it's basically the same exact concept because you are eating the sprout at its very first true leaf stage, at its baby stage. But the biggest difference is that sprouts are not really exposed to much sunlight. So they're not getting the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is what turns it green. The green is what heals your body and gives you energy. So I may be biased, but I'm a little partial to liking microgreens even more because they are exposed to the sunlight. They take a few more days to grow. And since they are getting activated with that chlorophyll, it's so nutrient dense and good for your body. So, of course, I love the microgreens even better. But at the end of the day, it's the same exact concept. You are eating that very first true leaf of the baby vegetable. And whether it's alfalfa, broccoli, radish, sunflower, pea shoots, I mean, the list goes on and on of what you can grow. You can sprout pretty much anything. A lot of people even ask me, like, is it like the chia pet? And yes, it actually is. But I think the chia pet was more novelty. Like, it just grew a head of hair. I don't even know if anybody ever really ate it. I mean, did you guys eat it? Did you guys ever grow a chia pet? I never grew one. I had no idea. I just seen the commercial, chia. So that's all I really knew about the chia pet. And I think it stuck in people's head, back in I don't even know, was it the 90s that was cool? Well, sprouts were cool in the 70s. And now with this health and wellness explosion, really, in the health and wellness industry, it's about taking care of your body and what you can do and what foods actually heal your body. And microgreens is just something that's so easy to do, so quick. You don't have to wait months and months to harvest. 7 to 10 days from seed to harvest. Super simple. And it's just something that's actually so much fun to watch it expand and grow right before your eyes, and then you get to eat it. So, yes, I love microgreens for the win versus sprouts, even though sprouts are not a bad thing. I will never badmouth them. I love them on my sandwiches too. But when you're getting the chlorophyll, you guys, chlorophyll is where you're getting all of that energy, like all of that nutrient density of all that vitamins, all the minerals and antioxidants. So microgreens for the win on this one.